All right, why is everyone buying this convertible sofa bed? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. It's selling like around 1,500 units every single month. Why? So first off, super easy to put together. Literally, you take it out of the box. That's it. It comes very compact inside of a fairly small box in comparison to what it looks like here. You open it and it expands into the couch, and that's it. So straight up, dude, that alone, amazing. Very comfortable, nice and soft down here. Soft in the back as well. Love the corduroy vibe and the button tufted vibe all throughout. Got these nice armrests right here. And then the best part is the fold out. You pull it out into the sleeper bed. And all straight up, you could just use these as the pillows right here if you want, or you can move them out to the side. You have your own pillow that works out. But I'll just lay down so you can see the whole vibe. I'm about 5'11", and as you can see, I fully fit on here, and it's nice and comfortable. So really nice vibe. Has a memory foam, like straight up hardcore memory foam. I guess maybe I shouldn't say hardcore, but it's like straight up memory foam vibe. So very comfortable, and I love it. I see why it's flying off the shelves. I think you're gonna love it too. I recommend.